Welcome to On-Screen Learning. Understand the health and safety implications of assembly, dismantling, hygiene, and storage of equipment. It is essential for every fitness professional to keep track of the working equipment included within the gym premises. A proper check and balance help ensure proper working of the equipment and save the consumers from all kinds of risks. Moreover, it also imparts insight into the rising defects in the equipment that can be tackled in the initial bid. However, fitness centers that already have efficient working equipment are not subject to the HSE laws. Still, proper monitoring is essential for the best fitness outcomes. The maintenance needs to be calculated by keeping an eye on the risk factors that affect the working equipment, which may include the intensity of equipment usage, surrounding environment and the environmental factors, instructor's brief on the working of the equipment, user knowledge and insight. The factors mentioned above are responsible for affecting the working equipment and help estimate the maintenance requirements. User Safety Manual. To overcome any health risks associated with the users, the fitness instructors must understand the maintenance process and how different aspects can adversely affect the equipment. In this case, the instructors must guide the users by developing a manual directed towards equipment usage. 3 kinds of factors can avert the risk in a fitness gym. We understand that risk and maintenance are inevitable, however, the following factors can help against these conditions. Management aspects, physical aspects, instructor competence and expertise. Maintenance essentials. PURE has set different clauses for instructors who can prove to be helpful regarding equipment management. As a fitness instructor, you need to realize that maintenance begins with inspection. According to PURE Regulation 6 and 33, the examination builds the foundation of the care. You may start with an analysis of the defects in the working equipment, how to cope with them, and how these defects can be risky for the users. Who should conduct the maintenance? Maintenance is the job of an expert who has a profound experience for the cause. As a fitness instructor, you need to equip yourself with sufficient training, equipment, and vast information about the equipment maintenance if you wish to produce a lively and productive fitness environment. Work equipment must always be taken care of, from construction to oiling and lubrication. The people who visit a gym come here to promote their physical fitness. However, if such people face faulty and risky fitness equipment, then not only will it adversely affect the rapport of the gym and instructor, but it may also pose serious risks. Therefore, an instructor must conduct an adequate inspection at periodic intervals and gain expertise regarding fitness equipment to promote better fitness and build a strong rapport.
During these uncertain times, virtual learning is now no longer an option. It's a must. Harness the power of on-screen learning.